This is the best Windows 11 taskbar that I have ever seen. It's called Windows 11 Segmented Taskbar with Unique Start Menu. And it's literally what it says on the tin. You get a segmented taskbar with a unique start menu. The best part about it is that it's incredibly customizable. You can change the position of the segments, the size of the start menu, and even the colors. And it's all done through this really cool GUI that is super easy to use. You can also enable or disable taskbar icons. And there are a ton of different options to choose from. You can even change the opacity of the taskbar. And if you're one of those people who likes to keep their taskbar hidden, you can do that too. The segmented taskbar will automatically hide when you hover the pointer over the top of the screen. And when you want it back, just move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. This is so much better than the default Windows 11 taskbar. It's definitely worth checking out. If you would like to have this segmented taskbar and this unique start menu style on your Windows computer, then you should watch this video until the end. Let's dive in. If I go to my download here, I already have this file downloaded, which I'll leaving in the links for you in the description. First of all, install window. Double-click on that, select. OK, next, and install. Click on Finish. So right now, this is what WinDoc looks like at the home page. Now, we'll proceed to do the necessary customization. Go ahead to Explore. On the taskbar height and icon size, go into Details. Then I'm going to click on Install. Select Install. And this is going to take a while, so just be patient with it. So now the installation is complete. Go on to Settings. Now, first of all, on the icon size, we're going to change it from 32 to 27. Chain task by 8 to 45. We're going to change this to 45 as well. Now go ahead and click on Save Settings. Now, after doing that, we can notice there's a slight change here on the taskbar. Then we'll go on to the next one. Go to Explore. On that Windows 11 Notification Center. Styler, go on to Details. Click on Install. Once installation is completed, go on to Advanced. Right here on that mode settings, we're going to highlight on everything here I'm going to delete. Well, we'll proceed to the zip file, which I already downloaded. Like I said earlier, I believe in the links in the description. And since I'm done with this, I'm just going to delete. So now we're just left with this zip file. I'm just going to extract this. I'm using RA to open the folder, so I've left this wallpaper here. And in case you want to use the same wallpaper, otherwise you can use in the wallpaper of your choice. These are the necessary code to be using in this video. This is the one for the Notification Center. Just going to select that one now. Copy all the content here. Gonna minimize this, minimize that. Go back to Window. I'm gonna paste it right here in a More setting. Paste and click on Save. Now, if you go right to Notification Center, you can see some slight changes here. Now we proceed to the next one. Go back to Explore. On that Windows 11 Start Menu styler, we're going to click on Details and select Install. Proceed to install it. Now we're done with the installation. Go back to the folder. Now we're going to open the Start Menu codes. Okay, copy the entire code. I am going to minimize this. Go on to Advanced, gonna delete these ones right here. Then I'm going to paste the one we just copied. Paste and click on Save. I'll go down here. Again, gonna type in Search, Host, Z, then click on Save. If I minimize this, and when you open the Windows Start menu, you can see that we have this unique Start menu. And this is looking awesome. I just like the way the app's on the right side there. This is looking good, but we are not done yet. We'll go to the next one. Go to Window and go back to Explore right here on that Windows 11 taskbar. Styler. Click on Details. Select Install. Proceed to install. So once that's done, again, we'll go back to the folder. And this time we're going to select Taskbar Codes. Open that. I'm going to copy everything here. Copy, minimize. Minimize that. Go on to Advanced. Delete this content. Paste the one we just copied right here. Click on Save. All right. Now, as you can see, we have this nice looking taskbar, which is split into different segments. It's pretty cool. And that's it about that. So just in case you don't want to use this anymore, just proceed to Control Panel and just uninstall it from there. If you want this unique cursor, which I'm using in this video, I made a video about that. So you can check that on the right side of your screen there. So that'll be all for now, guys. Do well to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and also let me know your thoughts at the conversation. Feel free to make a request about any Windows customization. Have a nice day. Peace out.